So this is a real photo that I took with a couple friends, and ever since taking it, I've really wanted to go back out and do it again. So here's the game plan. I'm going to have my camera set up here on a tripod, and I'm going to take off with the quadcopter over here, take off and fly like so. Maybe do some spirals along the way. It's pretty straightforward. The main thing here is getting this triggered and that flying and getting the timing down. If you don't have the timing down right, it won't work and it will fail epically.
Take a light to Mississippi, to San Francisco Bay. They're talking about this famous place, and when it's its way.
Here I come back again. If the video with the human that is scared by Selassie, I am still gonna be here. Another focus on him, let me share she lives here.
Any advice a little more clear?
Under my keep my brain, get him in the meeting with my friend. Another man for me, I get this go to the bar right off my land. I don't wanna leave it for this and legal, but man is coming in for me, for you, for us, for them.
So I got my banjo out, sitting catching dust. Painted right across the face, the Greenwich medical bus. Folks were sad to see me go, but I had no meaning there.
Niggas rubbing off my style.
So I said goodbye Kansas Low, and hello Washington Square.
Okay, so the setup is I've got the camera here, I've got the quadcopter there ready to go, transmitter. I've set up the camera so that it's on an interval timer so I can hit the shutter button and it'll take a picture after like 10 seconds. And the shutter speed's about 4 seconds, so that'll give me enough time to fly around and do stuff with 4 seconds, I think is a good time. So here we go. Plugging in the quadcopter, transmitter on. All right, we're working. Turn off the light. Here we go.